Okay, so here we are. This is the first part of 4 parts for this lab, and there's a few things that you need to have done in order to get to this point. Number one, you had to make a Learn ArcGIS account. Hopefully by midnight tonight. I've sent emails and announcements to every single section and every single person, hopefully to get you guys to, make this account by midnight tonight. That's the deadline, okay? You should then download and install ArcGIS Pro. I'm going to tell you, you should be very proud of getting this limited time use of this program. It costs about $14,000, and S3 is letting us use it for free. So it's kind of hard to beat that little deal, okay? You should make a folder on your flash drive in order to save your work. My folder, I went to my biology lab folder and I put lab 2 GIS for this. Then we need to download the data for our work today. It's 2 pieces of data. One is the Brazilian rainforest, and the other one is Rondonia. Okay, so you have 2 pieces of work of data to download, and then finally we're going to open the file with ArcGIS Pro. This is supposed to be 4 45-minute sessions. That should come up to being Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I hope. If you guys are getting your GIS account today, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I will leave the lab open until Sunday, and hopefully that'll be enough for everybody. Okay. But the thing that's worrying me right now is that you guys get your Learn ArcGIS account, because without it, you can't get ArcGIS Pro and you can't do this lab. And in my opinion, if you can't do this, you're going to lose out on something that's very, very cool. Okay. So it's 4 45-minute sections. Let's see if they do take 45 minutes. And the first one is going to be explore the study area. And let's see, we're going to find the study area, and then we're going to organize and symbolize data. And then we're going to add and symbolize the roads layer. And then we're going to compare roads and deforestation. And when we finish doing that, we should be done. Actually, I think I overstepped a little bit. We're not doing that last part. We're not comparing roads for deforestation. That's for the next section. So we got about three things to do today. Let's see if we can get them done. Okay. So I'm going to try to follow this, and the intent is that you can follow what I'm doing and it'll be easier. Okay. I'm going to have my annotate spotlight so you guys can follow what I'm doing. Okay. See my little red cursor? Hopefully you can see it. All right, so let's go to the first part. Okay, hopefully we've downloaded the information. And instruction 3 says, actually that's not where we're at. It says start ArcGIS Pro. Here it is, right in front of us. Let's see. I've already signed in using my licensed account, my login and password. If you don't log in on your computer with your login and password, ArcGIS Pro will not work. Okay. Let's see. So now we're going to start in step number 7. It says under new. Okay. So we're going to, under new, we're going to go to catalog. There it is. It's going to open a project. And we're going to name the new project Rondonia Deforestation. So I'm literally going to copy and paste that from my instructions. Boop. Rondonia Deforestation. Okay. And where am I going to save it? I'm going to save it to my E drive, courses, Bio 101 lab. Apparently I need a new folder. And I'm going to call it ENV. Oh, I'm in the wrong place. I'm under biology. My bad, guys. ENV. There we go. Better. Still going to make a new folder. I'm going to call it ENV 170 lab 2 GIS. Kind of long, but descriptive. Double click on it. Go OK. Okay, and that should work. Okay, I've got that, and now I'm going to go ahead and go OK. Okay. There we are. Okay. Let's see. The project opens and displays the catalog view. So there's a catalog view. In this view, you can manage and browse data. Now you'll begin adding data for your project. The data you already have is referred by an ArcMap document. So on the ribbon, we're going to click Insert. We're going to click Import Map. Okay. And then we're going to go to where we saved that data. So ESRE. And it's going to be Brazilian rainforest .mxd, this guy right here. Okay. And there's our Brazilian rainforest. Okay. Kind of big. Okay, it says in the ribbon, click on Map tab. In the layer group, click Base Map and choose Imagery. So we're going to go to the Map tab. There it is. In the layer group, here's a layer group. Click Base Map. So we're going to click on Base Map. And we're going to choose Imagery, which is this guy right here. Turns into that. Okay. Now, if you're unhappy because the instructions say show all of South America and yours doesn't, if you're unhappy about that and you want to change it right now, click on Explore, and then with your mouse button, you can make it smaller. So it looks the same. You can even move it around. Okay. There we go. Now it looks the same. Okay. Let's see. On the ribbon in the inquiry group, so we're going to go to the ribbon inquiry group. Here's inquiry. We're going to click on locate. Okay. The locate pane appears. Here it is. And it says search for Rondonia. So we're going to click right here in search. We're going to type in Rondonia. Okay. Several results appear and the map zooms to the Brazilian state of Rondonia. Actually, what you do is you hit enter and the map zooms in to the state of Rondonia. So there's Rondonia. Oh, where's my mouse? There we go. There's Rondonia right there. Okay. Close the locate pane. There's our locate pane. We're going to close it. Bye-bye. Okay. On the quick access toolbar at the top of the project, click save. So right here, we're going to click on save. Okay, and we're off to the races. Okay, that's the first step. Second and third, organize and symbolize data. So currently you can't see the base map under the Brazilian states layer. You'll change the layer symbology to better see your layers. You'll also organize the layers in the contents pane. The contents pane lists all the layers in the map. It also shows the layer symbology and any groups that organize the layers, okay? So we're going to go to contents. Here's the contents pane, contents. We're going to right click on the Brazilian states. So incidentally, guys, these are layers, okay? So this is the main map, and then you have a layer that's called cities. You have a layer that's called the Amazon ecoregion. You have a layer that's called the Brazilian states, so on. And you can turn these on and off. Like for example, if I turn off cities, like so, my cities disappear. Or I can turn the layer back on and my cities appear. Or I can see my ecoregion down here. I can turn that one off, or I can turn it back on. Or the Brazilian states up here. I can turn it off, or I can turn it on. So each one of these is a different layer of the map, and we can manipulate it independently, okay? So where were we? In the contents pane, we're gonna right-click on Brazilian states, right-click on Brazilian states, and click symbology. Whoop, there it goes. When we do that, the symbology pane comes up here. Okay. In the symbology pane, make sure that primary symbology is clicked, okay? In the symbology pane for symbol, click the color box. So here's symbol, we're gonna click on the color box, click, and we end up with all these choices, okay? This is in the gallery, click the second option, black outline, point, 2 point. There it is, okay? So now instead of having that horrible gray, now we have a 2-point outline going on. But what you need to know is that you can make it be whatever you want. I can make it yellow, I can make it blue, I can just go crazy with it, right? But we're gonna follow the instructions. So we're gonna do black, 2-point outline, okay? At the top of the pane next to gallery, click on properties. Here's properties, we're gonna click on it. On the properties tab, expand appearance. It's already expanded. Okay. For outline color, here's outline color. We're going to click on it and we're going to choose lilac dust, which is like down here. No, that's not it. No, that's not it. Lilac dust, there we go. We're going to click on it. Okay. It gives you a tip. If you hover over the colors, it tells you the names. And then we're going to click on apply. And we have lilac dust for the 2-point outline. Is that cool? I think it's cool. Okay, now the states are now shown in light purple shade that stands out against the imagery base map. Okay, let's see, on the ribbon, click the View tab. We're going to click the View tab. In the Windows group, we're going to click Catalog pane. There's a Windows group. We're going to click on Catalog pane, poop. There it is. So here's a catalog pane over here. In the catalog pane, right-click Databases. So here's Databases. We're going to right-click, and it says Choose Add Database. Add Database. There it is. In the selected existing geodatabase window, browse to the data you unzipped and choose Rondonia. So we're going to go to where we downloaded our data. And we're going to click on Rondonia GDB. There it is. And we're going to click on OK. Okay. So now we have additional data here. So now it says in the catalog pane, so here's catalog pane. In the catalog pane, expand databases. So we're going to click on the side arrow and expand it. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to right click Rondonia GDB, which is the one that we just added. And we're going to make it default. Okay. All right. Now, let's see. Under databases, we're going to expand Rondonia GDB. Okay. And it shows us what? Roads, protected forest, proposed roads, 1, 2, 3, 4 things that we can add to it. So we could add roads, for example. Okay, we finished 2 tasks. We're in the last one, okay? We're gonna add and symbolize the roads layer, okay? So this is in the catalog pane. So here we're in the catalog pane. Click roads and drag it into the map, okay? So here's roads. We're going to drag into the map. Boom, there they are. Isn't that cool? Okay. Now, on the ribbon, click Map tab. So we're going to click on the Map tab. In the Selections group, so we're going to go to Selections. Here we are. Select by Attributes. Select by Attributes. Okay. And it opens the Select by Geoprocessing pane over here. Okay. All right. So in the geoprocessing, for input rows, we're going to have roads, selection type, new selection. Okay. Under expression, we're going to click on new expression, click on it. And we have another query builder. Remember one of these? So we're going to look at it. And this one is saying object ID is equal to let's see. And we should click official. Where object ID is equal to official. Let's see what we can do. That's exciting. Let's see if we can type it in. Official. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this little green arrow and see if this works. Okay. And it says it does not like it. Uh-oh. Okay, so I took a small step in the wrong direction. This thing is incorrect, so we're going to click on the little X right there to get rid of it. We're going to click on new expression again. And we have to change that. Sorry about that, I had to sneeze. We're going to change that object ID to status. And then we're going to change the second one to is equal to. And then the last one to official. Okay. So we're looking at roads and we're looking at roads that are considered to be official. We're going to test it with that little green check mark. This time it's valid. Because it's valid, we can now apply it. So we're going to click on run. So down here we have run. We're going to click on run. There it goes. And there's all the official roads in blue. Is that cool? Okay. Let's keep on going. In the contents pane, so here's the contents pane. Right click on roads. Right click on roads. Point to data. Point to data. And choose export features. Boom. Okay. So now we're going back to geoprocessing pane on the right hand side. Let's see. Let's see, feature. The feature class to feature class tool opens in the geoprocessing pane. Okay. In the geoprocessing pane for output feature class type official roads. So we're looking at output feature class. and we're going to type official roads. We're going to copy it and paste it because I don't trust myself. Okay, there it is. Because you set Rondonia as the default database earlier, the official roads layer will be saved there. Click run. We're going to click on run. Okay. So anyways, this adds a new layer to the map, but it might be covered by the roads that we already have on here. Okay. On the ribbon, in the selection group, here's the selection group. We're going to click on clear. Okay, that cleared it. I don't know if you noticed that on your map. It says if necessary, drag official roads and above roads. So here's our official roads, and here's roads. They're telling us to make sure that this one is above this one. And the reason for that is because the layering matters. The way that the layers are here is the same way that the layers are here. So for example, if we move this up here, that would change the order, and roads would be above official roads. And then we move official roads up, our official roads would be on top. Okay. All right. Okay. So in 15, it says that contents pane, click the official roads line symbol. So here's the contents pane. Here's the official roads. Here's the line symbol underneath it. Okay. So we're going to click on it. And when we do that, the symbology pane comes up here. Okay. In the symbology pane, click the gallery tab. So gallery tab. And choose the first symbol for minor road. First symbol for minor road. That'd be that one right there. Okay. On the map, the official roads layer is now drawn white. Okay, very good. In the contents pane, click official roads 2 times. So we're going to click on official roads 2 times. Okay. To make the name editable, rename the layer official roads without the underscore. Okay, we're going to click there. We're going to get rid of the underscore. There it is. Lastly, you'll change the symbology of the original roads layer. Click the road symbol. So let's go OK here. Click the road symbol. Okay, there it is. In the symbology pane over here, click the Properties tab, Properties. For color, expand the color menu and choose Aster Purple. So we're going to click right here, and we're going to look for Aster Purple. There it is. Click. Okay, this color purple is good for contrast from both the imagery base map and the official roads. So we're going to click the Save button. That's funny. They missed a step here. Oh, no, they didn't. There it is. Click Apply. There it is. Very nice. Okay, And then on the quick access toolbar, click the save button. So right up here, we're going to click save. And we're to the end of the first exercise. 1 down, 3 to go. Thank you. Bye-bye.